Uses of crude oil by KayScience.com. Crude oil is a mixture of different hydrocarbons, and once separated, those individual fractions have many different uses. A major use are fuels. For example, petrol in cars, aircraft use kerosene, ships, they use fuel oil. Fuels are also used in power stations where they're burnt, releasing lots of carbon dioxide emissions. But this generates electricity, powering electrical appliances in our homes and industries. Another use for fuels is for heating. For example, butane gas can be burnt, which generates heat energy. This heat energy can be used for heating. Crude oil can also be used for petrochemicals, also known as feedstock. Petrochemicals are simply substances made from crude oil. These petrochemicals, also known as feedstock, form the basis for many different types of materials that we use within society. For example, petrochemicals are used to make plastics. For example, plastic bags. Many different types of petrochemicals are used to make clothes. And we wouldn't have rubber tires that go on our bicycles, cars, buses, trucks if it weren't for the petrochemicals that come from crude oil. Many of our cosmetics and makeup are made using the petrochemicals that come from crude oil. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. It's very important to remember that crude oil is non-renewable. This means the crude oil is being used up faster than it's being formed. Society relies on crude oil. If we carry on using these fuels at the rate that we're going, we will run out one day. Pause the video here to practice the keywords. The answers will follow. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.